game. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video, guys. I hope everybody's doing fine and well and having a great day. Welcome if you are new. So I have got Madam Glam's February collection. Look at this box. So this collection was launched on the 20th of January, I think it was. It's called Amour Tints and there's 8 in this collection. I think there's 4 creamy colours and 4 glittery shimmery colours. So we're just going to take a very quick look at them, a very quick swatch, and I'm going to do a quick design with them today. Rather than just do a swatch video, I'm just going to do a really quick, easy gel polish design today. So yeah, there's 4 creamy colours and then there's 4 kind of glittery, shimmery colours. So the first one out of the creamy ones is called Loyal. It looks white, but it has got a slight hint of pink. Very, very slight hint of pink. Then we've got Lilac Lace, and this is just a very nice, pale, kind of pinky purple, isn't it? Then we've got Love's Veil, and this is a proper pink. My favourite kind of pink. Gorgeous. Then we have got Berry Blush. This is like a cherry red, isn't it? Yeah. Right, and first, this is called Love Struck, and this has got an ultra fine holographic glitter in there. Beautiful. And these last 3, this one's called Dearest. These last 3 are like, they're like metallic flakies crushed up. It's not glitter, it's not shimmer. It's just like crushed up metallic flakies. They are stunning. This one, Glazed Armour. Oh my gosh, guys, look how this paints on. Literally one swipe down the middle and one swipe down each side, and it is done. The coverage on these 3 shimmery, flaky things is absolutely fantastic. Right, and lastly, we've got Heart Glow. This is like a deep pink, pinky red. Look at the coverage. These are stunning. I didn't get to use the shimmery ones today, but I will definitely be doing something with them because they are so pretty. So that's all 8 of them swatched. These 4 on the left I thought would be really good to do a 4 colour ombre or maybe a 3 colour ombre. So that's the holographic with just a fine glitter. And then them 3, oh my gosh, imagine a collection of 8 different colours with that kind of flaky shimmery stuff in it. Ooh, I would like that, Madam Glam. Sort it out. Guys, don't forget as well, I've got a 35% discount code for Madam Glam. It will be in my description box with a link to the website. Right, so let's get on with these nails. So to start with, I pulled out another colour called Ecuador. This is actually one of Madam Glam's rubber base coats. It's just a really nice kind of pale beige, yeah, kind of pale beige, kind of nude, isn't it? I will be turning that nail into a French nail, but I'm just going to cure that as it is for now. Right, and now I'm using one of the new colours. This is Love's Veil, and I'm going to do 1 coat of this colour on this nail. So back to this nail where I used Ecuador, the rubber base. I'm going to use that same pink, Love's Veil, and I'm just going to paint the free edge. So I'm going to start by painting a smile line. And guys, I didn't notice my camera died. So once I've painted this smile line, I do fill the rest of it in using the brush out the bottle. My camera died just after I finished painting this smile line. Do apologise. So now I'm using Loyal. This was the pale pink, almost white. And I'm going to paint what would be the middle nail and the ring finger because I'm going to put water decals on those nails. So I'm using the palest colour. Not that it mattered because I was using Queen of Decals and her decals can go on any colour background. But it just so happened I wanted these nails to be light anyway. So I'm just going over these nails, this pink nail and the French nail with a matte top coat because I want to kind of do a embossed kind of look. Same thing you do when you're doing a sweater nail. but I'm going to do it with love hearts. So I'm using a dotting tool, and I'm just going to start putting dots all the way down this nail, and I'm going to be turning these dots into love hearts. So I'm just going to pull down the middle of the dots like a V shape, and down the outside of the dots like a V shape, and it's just a really easy way to create love hearts. So just use a really tiny detail brush and just do a V shape down the inside of the dots and a V shape down the outside of the dots like that. And I'm going to do that to all of those hearts, but I'm not going to cure them in the lamp just yet. So before they go in the lamp, I'm going to give it a sprinkle of clear acrylic, or you could use a clear dip powder, and it just gives it that 3D embossed kind of look. And then I'll give them a double cure in the lamp. Now make sure you wipe all that acrylic powder off before you go in with the next bit of nail art. I'm just going to do a line down each side of those hearts, and I'm going to do some little notches as well, and they're going to get a sprinkle in the clear acrylic and cured. Guys, I've done exactly the same on the free edge of that French nail, but I did that off camera because it's exactly the same. Right, so I've pulled out these decals from Decal Queen, so that's her website there. I have got a 10% off code, I'll leave it in my description box. These are printed using white ink technology, which means you can put them over a black nail and they will still be bright and vibrant. A lot of decals, you have to put them on a white nail because the colour just completely disappears. These are fantastic, you can put them on any colour nail. Right, so once they've been soaking in water for 10-20 seconds, you can just slide that backing off and stick them straight onto the nail. So he's going to go there and she's going to go on the other nail, and then I'm going to seal them in with a base coat before a matte top coat. I don't like matte top coating over decals, stickers, stamping, because sometimes matte top coat can eat away at decals and stuff. So always seal them in with a base coat first and then go in with your top coat. I wanted this set to be matte, so I'm just going to give these a quick matte top coat. Right, so that's both of those matte top coated. So onto this last nail, I'm just going to give this a coat of the same white I used on the decal nails. And I'm just going to stick one last decal on this nail. Little decal that says love, and it's got a couple of love hearts on it. And then that'll be this set finished. Quick, easy set. So there we go guys, that is them finished. I think they are well cute. I love those decals from Decal Queen. The quality of them is just fantastic. So there we go guys, there's another quick look at the colours. I think this collection is absolutely beautiful. Obviously pink is my favourite colour, so I am a little bit biased, but I love the fact that they've put 4 creamy colours in there and 4 shimmery glitter ones in there, and the ones with the flakies in, absolutely beautiful. I'll leave links below guys to Decal Queen, and I'll leave links to the Madam Glam website and any discount codes. Please remember to give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care, bye.